Hey guys, welcome to my channel Baking with Nopur at Baker's Delight. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and hit that bell icon. Hey, once again I'm back with another very easy and fun recipe, which is a vanilla sponge cake. It's a very versatile cake. You can use it to do whatever you like, whichever cake. But first things first, let's sanitize our hands. So once you're done sanitizing your hand and your workplace, let's begin. So first you need two medium-sized bowls, a strainer. Very important, you need to strain the dry ingredients at least twice, which is you need to sieve them. So here I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This sponge is really versatile. You can make whatever cake you like with this. You can layer them with different frostings. You can flavor it with different flavors, and or you can just probably add some tutti frutti to it and make a fruit cake. So after that, I'm gonna be adding 1/4 cup of icing sugar. So I add just 1/4 cup. You can add more if you like it to be more sweet, but I really like my sponge to be medium sweet. So now let's sieve this, and I sieve it twice, so that's the whole trick of it. Okay, so it's very important to sieve it as many. If you want, you can sieve it for like 3-4 times. So basically why we sieve it is because we want it to get aerated. Okay, the more air you incorporate into that dry ingredient, the more fluffier and spongier your cake is going to be. And now I'm going to measure out the wet ingredients, which is 100 grams of butter. I'm using unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted butter, you can obviously make it with salted butter, but the results, I'm afraid, would not be the same. You will have a flavor of salt in it. So I just microwaved it for 30 seconds. So now let's just give it a whisk. And now I'm going to add condensed milk, because this is an eggless version. So there are several ways actually to make an eggless version. You can use yogurt or you can use condensed milk. Right now, today I'm going to show you the version with the condensed milk, and it's pretty good. It's come out really good actually. So give it a good mix, but do not overbeat it. Okay, never overbeat the butter or when you add the condensed milk, just until it's all mixed. Okay, and now I'm going to add some vanilla essence. I just go by the look of it. So for you, if you want a specific measurement, it should be 1 teaspoon, and that was 1/2 cup of water. Okay, so 1/2 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So once you've mixed all the wet ingredients, it's time to sieve it the 3rd time and sieve our dry ingredients in and mix everything together. Once again, you do not need to go all bazooka on this. Just mix until it's all incorporated. That's it. It's a complete myth that you need to go on beating for hours. It's a complete waste. In fact, you lose all the air that you have created in your dry ingredients. So don't do that at all. Just mix until it's all incorporated. Grease your cake tin. I'm using an 8-inch cake tin. That's it. Just pour enough, just halfway through. And I'm also going to pour the other one in another 8-inch pan. I've already greased it, so I'll just get done with it. And now these two need tapping. Yes, you need to tap it and get the excess air out. Okay, get the air bubbles out. Otherwise your cake might sink. So you need to do that a couple of times. And now this go into the oven for 160 degrees, 30 minutes. There, you see, the cakes have come out beautifully. Look at the flat surface. No sink, no excess rise. Just follow the measurements accurately and do not overmix your batter, do as I have done in this video. And you will have the same results. Now, I'm going to make a mango cake and a pineapple cake using this sponge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you really like this video. I'll also be leaving the link of the pineapple cake assembling in my description box below. Until next time, happy baking!